Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? Look at this. Jesus, snowing. The storm was supposed to hit last night, but it didn't get us last night, but it's getting to us now. They're calling for, I don't know, they were calling for up to 20-25 centimeters of snow, so basically a foot. But we're just in the shop cutting some steel, some cope ends for our up and down pieces for these corral panels we're gonna build. But yeah, it's coming down. Don't mind the friggin' radio. I got it on for weather reports as to what's going on. Tomorrow we're supposed to be going down the road. CP's a little wet. She got snowed on. And I was working with that little log splitter, and it works really good for like the poplar type trees and stuff, but for that elm trees it don't work worth a damn. But anyway, we're gonna continue cutting here until that tractor gets warmed up good enough, because it wasn't plugged in, and then I'm gonna go out to the pasture and check on those guys. So we'll bring you guys back in a bit. Alrighty guys, well, we're obviously in Little Red, so I want to get this snow out of this alleyway, but we got to move that corral panel right there in front of us, and he's been sitting there for a while, and there's a little bit of snow piled under the, or on top of the foot or the base, so we're gonna have to fight to get him out first and then move all this snow out of here. So how this is gonna go, I have no idea. I may even end up breaking the darn thing, but we'll see what happens, hey? Well, that one broke free, but the other one might not. Hopefully I didn't fuck up the bars on it. How's that sound? That one's free now. Now just to grab it, crawl over top of this friggin' snowbank that I made here and get it the hell out of the way so we can push everything out of the road. So I'll get this moved out and I'll bring you guys back in a little bit once we get a bunch of snow cleared out. There. Well, that looks a little better. Got that big snowbank on the end out of there, pushed the snow out of the alleyway. Now, if it wasn't so damn cloudy, what do you guys think? You think it looks better? I think it looks better. And I guess that's the biggest thing, the most important, as long as we think it's better, right? Got a couple bales of grain sitting, maybe you can see them right there at the end of my finger. That's for when we're feeding, like, because they get one pail of grain a day. So, and the birds are having fun with it, of course, right? But now, I'm sorry about the friggin' little specks of snow on the windshield, but I'm going to do a little bit of pushing out here in front of us, and it'll just go straight out that way. And that'll be about it, because there's no point in pushing and pushing and pushing, and it's snowing like a bugger right now. So we'll clean it up really good when it's all done snowing. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. We'll bring you back later. I'm just running a couple bucket loads of feed out for the cows in the pasture. I did it yesterday, but I didn't fill them up super full because I wanted to feed them again today. Get them filled up really good. Anyway, yeah, that's what's going on here now. But something I just wanted to say, if any of you guys are any of my subscribers live in the Regina area, keep your eyes open for a basically candy apple red Jeep Liberty. Now I can't remember the exact year, but it is I think it's like a 2017 model. Our son Tristan, his girlfriend Madison, she was at work last night and somebody stole her friggin' stole her friggin' Jeep, stole her car. So we're on the hunt for her car again, or her Jeep, I should say. Like, the guy is ballsy. He came in, she was at work, which she works at a sports bar type thing. And the guy came right into the building through the back door, went through people's, the employees' jackets, and he found her keys, and that's how he stole her. Right with her own keys, right out of her own jacket. How about that one, right? Now, they got the guy on camera coming into the building and walking into the building, leaving the building, going to her vehicle, starting it and driving away. But guess what? With the new day and age, you got to wear a face mask everywhere you go. And he had a face mask on, like a proper face mask, so all you see of him are his eyes, basically. So nobody knows who the hell the guy is, right? Ain't that a cocksucker? So yeah, anybody out there that is, I don't have the plate number handy as to what it is, but it's about a 2017 candy apple red Jeep Liberty. So keep your eyes open for that. If you guys think you see it, get a hold of the Regina Police Service or the RCMPs. But yeah, we're just gonna, my window's really dirty here from all the snow hitting it and this friggin' snowstorm. It's starting to settle in here pretty good. We just, I was just on the phone with Aussie Welding, who I'm supposed to be hauling for tomorrow, and we made the executive decision not to show up to site, not to haul tomorrow, simply because nobody's going to be at the site to clean it worth a darn. And with the snowstorm, like, where we're going is out to a friggin' provincial or regional park or something like that. So nobody's going to be out there cleaning friggin' snow. So what are the chances that I'm even going to be able to get to the site without getting stuck tomorrow, right? So yeah, we'll wait until after the new year. I believe Wednesday afternoon / evening. That is the last shift for the galvanizing company until they're shutting down until after the New Year's. So yeah, not that I don't want to do the haul, but it's the smart thing to do in this situation. It's really hard to see this stuff with snow blowing and whatnot. I don't know how close I am or how far away I am. And our propane, because we heat with propane, our propane delivery guy, he just showed up today, so that was good. He said, yeah, the roads are not very nice right now. It's getting pretty ugly out there. Anyway, guys, talk to you in a little bit. So anyway, guys, I made a mistake. I thought it was a 2017. Boy, was I off. It's actually a 2008 Jeep Liberty. It's not a 2017. It's a 2008. But either way, it doesn't friggin' matter. It was stolen. And, yeah. So keep your eyes open for a 2008 Jeep Liberty Candy Apple Red. And it's still snowing and blowing like a bugger. Anyway, just in having some lunch, so we'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, look what you got here. Tucker, the big beep. Look at the snow. It's knee deep right here at the barn door. I think I need to fire the old Bobby Cat up and move some of that out of the way. And then I think I'm going to bring the horses in for the night. Oh, fun. See if the old Bobby Cat will even start. It should. It's in the barn. That's generally where I park it for the winter. Except for calving time. Then we park it out at the shop. Because if we need the extra space for calving, right? Oh! We're on a glow plug system. It takes about 18 seconds on this little S205. Little throttle. Beep beep. It's a cold start. It's a cold start. Oh yeah, he's a cold start. Gonna have to open that door now. Let this friggin' exhaust smoke out of here. It's like a cloud. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to bring you guys back. I need 2 arms for this one. Just brushing some snow off of these guys. This one is new to our yard, but it's not our horse. She's only here for a little while. This is Apollo, a little black pony. I've never really done anything with her other than pick her up and bring her home here. I don't even got her tied. Let's see if she's gonna try booting me or not. I probably should tie her. I've got a rope I can tie her with. Come here, you. And these little ponies, you gotta sometimes watch them because they can be ornery as fuck at times. Almost every little pony I had as a kid growing up, these little Shetland, Welsh style, they all had friggin' nasty attitudes. So this one doesn't seem to be too bad. But to top it off, this is a mare too. It's not a gelding. For anybody that doesn't know, a gelding is a male horse. Male horse with no nuts. Okay? But this is a mare. This is a female. So far, she seems to be okay. Just trying to get some of the snow and ice off of her. Not that that's going to hurt, because when the snow is built up on their back, it actually helps insulate them and keep them warmer. See how wet she is up here? See that? That's because of the snow on her back. But with all of them in the barn, she'll drive nicer. And it'll be better for her for tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to finish the other 3 and I'll bring you guys back then. Alrighty, there. He's all cleaned off. And this big bugger is all cleaned off. Aren't you, Wyatt? Huh? For the new people, this one right here, this is Wyatt. Hey boy, back up. He's a big heavy fucker, that one. He's over 20 years old. He's the oldest horse we got. He's He's a retired team roping horse, that one. And Tucker is the youngest horse we got. He's all cleaned off. Tucker here is 6 now. Aren't you, boy? 1. And he put on a pile of weight over the past year because we haven't been riding at all. So and then there's Binford right there. And Binford is a Percher and quarter horse cross. And he would be 19. And then Apollo, the little black pony that you guys saw earlier. And she's all cleaned off. I don't know how old she is at all. I think she's around 13 or 14 years old. But that's Apollo. But they're all cleaned off. The cows that we bought, they'd be super happy because they've got access to inside the barn back there. They were all in. I just checked on them and they walked out to chow down some more. It's like they never stop eating them buggers. Well, there's one in here still. But yeah, they've got this area back here. And pretty much all the other cows, well, I shouldn't say all, but half of the other cows that are out in the pasture, well, they come up to the kraals for water. And they decided to stay here. They didn't go back out. And I can't say as I blame them. So, anyway, with that, guys, I guess I'm going to end it here. Me and Tucker will say goodbye to you guys. All right, Tuck? Hey, what do you figure? You see yourself in the camera, huh? You see yourself in the camera there, Tucker? So, with that, guys, give us the old thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and let's get her done. Catch you tomorrow.